What is mechanical engineering? What does it do? Hello everyone. Welcome to the Engineering Universe channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is both very popular and often misunderstood. What is mechanical engineering? What do mechanical engineers do? And is this profession really suitable for you? If you're ready, let's begin. What is mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering, in its simplest definition, is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, analysis, and production of systems and machines using energy, motion, and force. But this definition is only the tip of the iceberg. Mechanical engineering is one of the broadest engineering fields because almost every system that moves, works, produces heat, or uses energy involves mechanical engineering. From the moment you wake up in the morning to the car you use to commute, and even the air conditioning in your environment, everything is part of mechanical engineering. What do mechanical engineers do? It is not possible to explain what mechanical engineers do in a single sentence because their field is very wide. However, we can summarize it under four main categories. 1. Design. One of the most important tasks of a mechanical engineer is design. Before a product even exists, it is first designed on paper or on a computer. Engineers seek answers to questions like, how will this system work? What materials will be used? How durable should it be? What will be the cost? For example, when designing a car engine, many factors such as power, efficiency, weight, and safety must be considered simultaneously. Software like SolidWorks is commonly used in this process. 2. Analysis and simulation. The job does not end after design. The design system must be tested to understand how it will behave in real life. This is where analysis comes into play. Mechanical engineers perform stress analysis, examine heat transfer, and simulate fluid behavior. For example, a bridge, a machine part, or a pressure vessel is tested in a virtual environment before actual production. Software like ANSYS is widely used in this stage. 3. Manufacturing. For a design to exist in the real world, it must be produced. Mechanical engineers determine which manufacturing methods will be used, plan production lines, and manage quality control processes. CNC machines, casting, welding, and machining processes are all involved here. In short, mechanical engineers play an active role in the journey of a product from idea to factory. 4. Maintenance and development. Mechanical engineers not only produce systems, but also improve existing ones. When a machine fails, they analyze the problem, find solutions, and make the system more efficient. That's why mechanical engineering is also a strong problem-solving profession. Fields of work. Mechanical engineering is so broad that you can find a job in almost every sector. The most common areas include automotive, aerospace, energy, manufacturing and industry, robotics and automation, heating, cooling, and HVAC systems, and defense industry. For example, a mechanical engineer can design a car engine, develop aircraft components, set up a factory production line, or design robotic systems. Required skills. There are some important qualities for someone who wants to pursue this profession: analytical thinking, knowledge of mathematics and physics, problem-solving skills, patience and attention to detail, and creativity. Because sometimes the problems that need to be solved can be quite complex. What do you study? A mechanical engineering student typically takes courses such as statics and strength of materials, dynamics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, machine elements, and manufacturing methods. These courses can be challenging, but they form the foundation of engineering. Salary and job opportunities. One of the most frequently asked questions is about salary. Mechanical engineers' salaries vary depending on the sector they work in, their experience, and how much they improve themselves. There can be a significant difference between a new graduate and someone with 5 to 10 years of experience. However, one thing is clear: a mechanical engineer who continuously improves themselves will not remain unemployed. The future of mechanical engineering. As technology advances, the importance of mechanical engineering does not decrease. On the contrary, it increases. Future trending areas include electric vehicles, AI-supported manufacturing, robotic systems, space technologies, and renewable energy. Today, smart systems are becoming more prominent alongside classical machines. Is mechanical engineering right for you? Ask yourself these questions. Do I wonder how things work? Do I enjoy designing? Do I like solving problems? If your answers are yes, then mechanical engineering might be the right path for you. Conclusion. In summary, mechanical engineering is a versatile field that covers design, analysis, production, and development processes and exists in every aspect of life. It is not just a profession, but also a way of thinking. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more engineering content. See you in the next video.